I love pancakes. I really do. It's something that gives me so much comfort. I've had them ever since I was a little kid, and the first thing that my mother ever showed me how to make was pancakes. I would remember pulling the bottom drawer out of the stove and standing on it so I could see up over on top of the stove and see the pancake batter being poured. If I was lucky enough, she'd let me take the spatula and flip the pancakes. It's just something that I have this ingrained memory of, and it just makes me so happy. Since I love pancakes so much, I've been trying to find out what is the best recipe, what I can do, because I make them every single Sunday. One of the things that I love about this one is it's so simple. You really can whip this together in about 5 minutes. Oftentimes you'll see buttermilk pancakes as the iconic true American pancake. The reason being is buttermilk is an excellent ingredient in the pancakes. It gives you a little bit of acid, but it helps neutralize the baking soda that's in there, which gives you a nice, light, fluffy texture, but a really thick pancake. If you don't have buttermilk, there's a couple of options for you. You can use about 1 tablespoon of vinegar to a cup of regular milk, but what I really like to do is take a little bit of sour cream or even yogurt and add some water to thin it out to the consistency of like a heavy cream. That actually works a little bit better because it's the same flavor profile as you get with buttermilk. As with a lot of baked goods, you're not going to want to develop the gluten too much because then your pancake is going to be tough. So when we get the ingredients mixed together, you're going to want to stir it just until the flour is fully moistened, but no more. You're not going to want to be stirring it too much because you're going to be stirring a lot of the gas that's in the batter already, which will make for a thinner pancake in the end. Once you get it on the skillet, leave it alone. Don't play with it because the heat is actually activating a lot of the leavening agents, so it's going to cause the gas to grow. But if you keep jiggling it or moving it, it's going to collapse that structure and you're going to end up with a thinner pancake. When it's time to flip them once, and no matter where it lands, leave it alone. In this day and age, I know a lot of people buy box mixes or things like that, but I find that this recipe is just as easy, just as fast as opening up a box and measuring out all the ingredients. Plus, it'll give you time to interact with your family. Have the kids help you measure the ingredients out. It'll be a bonding moment like the one I had with my mother. I remember to this day making pancakes with her every single weekend. And when Dad was out of town on a business trip, I guarantee you we had pancakes for dinner.